Welcome everybody to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. Get all the alerts of what we're doing here. So today we're gonna make a quick and easy fried rice. The fried rice part of it is the quick and easy part. We're using my Asian style carnitas as the meat, the protein in the fried rice. And that wasn't the quick part. That one took a good 2 or 3 hours. If you watched my live stream earlier today, I kind of went through the ingredients for when I was doing the braising, of the pork shoulder. I'll put that down below too, and I'll link it over here. All right, so you can check it out how we set it up. So when I say quick and easy, I mean quick and easy. I didn't have any day old rice to use for this, so we're using our good old Uncle Ben's 90-second cook time rice. All right, I got the miracle already chopped up, carrots, onions, celery. I got the pork already done. Got my soy sauce, green onions for the finish. We're just gonna do this up real quick, real easy. All right, so come on back. We'll be on the stove and we'll put this thing together. All right, thanks a lot. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Looking all good. My Asian inspired carnitas, quick and easy fried rice. Give this bad boy a shot. All right, guys, we're back with the ingredients. We got our carnitas style, Asian style carnitas over here that I braised all day. Got our mirepoix, soy sauce, little sesame seed oil, green onions for the finish, and my ready rice. We're gonna make this quick. I don't have time to boil rice, we're just gonna use ready packs. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We got about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in here, and just like a couple shakes, a couple dashes of the sesame seed oil in there. We're gonna throw our mirepoix in there, start getting it fried up, get it cooked through. This wok-ish thing is screaming hot. All right, I have it on the biggest burner and one of the highest settings. Okay, so this is gonna cook quick. So next thing I'm gonna add is the pork and get that fried up in there. And then we'll add the rice and the soy sauce. And that's it. All right, so coming back. All right, y'all, we're back. The onions, carrots, and celery have been cooking good. We're gonna add some of this pork, this pulled pork, this Asian inspired carnitas. Okay, probably about that much. What we're gonna do is fry this. We're gonna get little crispy bits in there. And then once this is all crisped up and mixed up and crunchified and crispified and whatever fried or ish you would like, that's what it is gonna be. All right, so come on back, we'll add the rice and get this thing going. All right, guys, we're back. We got the rice already done up. Look at the crispy, crunchy loving in there. All right, so we're gonna add 1 pack of rice, and I think we need to add 2. All right, so good thing I cooked up 2. It helps if you open it a little bit further. This rice is hot. Whew. All right, so we're gonna mix this up in here. Have a couple rice kernels go on the floor. Don't worry about it. Add probably about a 1/4-ish cup of soy sauce. And here it going. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Looking good. Getting everything combined in there. Oh, gosh, you guys should smell this. Smelling good. All right, last little thing, and I didn't put in any ingredients, but we're adding some egg. All right, just 1 beaten egg. And we're gonna mix this around and get it cooked through. Oh, see the little white bits right there? Making like a mess. It's all right. Oh yeah, guys, this is simple, it's quick, it's easy, it's tasty, slightly messy if you cook it like I do, but that's all right. Come on back and we'll plate this bad boy up. All right, we are back. We're ready for the live-ish taste test. Oh, it smells so good. It's hot. Let me just tell you, this is straight off the wok. All right, so I may have to burn myself for you, so I am ready to try this bad boy. Got some of that Asian inspired carnitas in there. Got some soy sauce, dropped a little bit of it. Got our mirepoix, simple, quick dish. All right, give it a shot. All right, cheers. Wasn't that hot at all. It's fine. Yeah. Carnitas are on point. So good. Soy sauce in there just makes that dish. The rice, the prepackaged rice, I don't know the difference. You won't know the difference. All right. This one's a winner right here. Give it a shot. I'll have the ingredients below. I'll put a link to the live stream where I was getting the braised ready for the pork, the Asian inspired carnitas. All right, so check it out. This one's a winner. Give it a shot. All right, guys. No cigar and whiskey tonight. School night. Need to get back to it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. See you next time. Take care.